Hey classmates, Michael Froberg here for MIU Mobile Interfaces and Usability 1303 for our week 3 discussion. This week our discussion is actually about the application that we are creating or have created. The first question is to share what our app is intended to do and how it was designed to reflect this intent. I designed an app called Code Buddies, not to be mistaken for Code Buddy, which actually is on the App Store. Unfortunately, I found that out right after. The intention of Code Buddies is to create essentially a contact list of programming friends, or actually, other developers in a school, based and categorize them based on their level of comfort with a particular language, so that if you're ever in a jam and you need some help on a particular language or code, you can call a buddy, and you'll know by looking at the app which who can be of most help for you and who's available. With regards to what applications that I've used that are similar to that, I'm not off the top of my head. I guess it's similar in a way to a regular contact app, but better. I mean, the contact app on Apple is crapple, so to speak. It doesn't have the ability to really control groups so much, but I guess smart groups or something along those lines. It would be similar to an app like that allows you to, group people together. But essentially, it's allowing people to group, friends together based on that and rank them as well. Rank their level of comfort in any particular language. So from 1 to 10. So that your 10 Java is the person you're going to call when you have a Java class and you need a little help with. The next question is, have I improved the usability of this app to better support my users' goals? I think so. I think I've how have I improved the usability? Well, I've improved the usability. I think through the use of varying list inlay. I believe I've improved my usability by using jQuery and applying that particular framework to it, which I believe has allowed for the app to be more user-friendly, especially with regards to this week's creation of the varying prompts and also the varying levels of validation that it's easy to go through, and it'll provide an easy. What I'm talking about right now. Let's see. But based on the overall intent of my application, which is to create a application that allows people to network together based on code, I think by creating the different categories, and certainly by creating in terms of the usability, I would think that there certainly are lots of different ways that over the last few weeks I've been able to improve usability. One, I was able to utilize jQuery and the forms, which create a much easier and more pleasing interface for my user, as well as the varying tools I was able to implement. Like for instance, this week I implemented the jQuery UI date picker, which makes it easier to input a project date, which is one of the fields by which you're able to search and also implement information on my app. So I think that's one of the ways in which I've been able to improve, and I'm looking forward to how I can improve even more over the next assignment. Thank you very much, and look forward to talking to you about your projects.